In this video, I'll show you how you can log out of your Marvel Rivals account. Now, if you go on the website and you go to log in, you'll be able to see here that these are the options that you have. Now, if you want to log out of your Marvel Rivals account, let's say you're using the Steam, what you need to do is simply log out of your Steam account and then log into a new Steam account. And from that way, you can get the new Marvel Rivals account using the Steam. Now, same goes for Epic Games. However, if you're using PS5 or Xbox, it's going to be a little bit more tricky since you need a different account on those as well. But if you have one, let's say you're signed up on Steam, what you can do is simply log out of your Steam account, head over to a new one, and then log in from the new Steam account, and then you're going to be on the second one. Now, this is useful if you're trying to play on the Smurf account, or if you just want to play on the second account that you have. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.